Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Harika. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one exciting topic of how you can actually replace all the special characters from a particular string that you have. So let's say there's a requirement of this kind in your project. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can do, and also I'm going to talk about the concept, like why we are doing so and what is the reason of picking that particular code and why we are writing the code in a certain way, so that not just using the code exactly as it is, you can just modify it based on your requirement. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So before to that, this is a smart hacks series that I'm planning to come up with. So as a part of this series, we already have seen one video how to replace the double quotations in a string without using a regex, right? So if you haven't watched the video, do check out this link. I'm going to link the video here on the top of the video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also like the videos if you find the video useful. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So I'm going to explain you first why we are writing the code in a certain way, and also how you can write it for your particular requirement. Okay, so for that, let me so this is my regex extract expressions, where I will use this particular website to check if my regex expression is correct or not. Okay, so let me take some sample. So basically, you just have to remember whenever there's a text, there are three different kinds of information. One is alphabetic information, other one is numeric information, and the third one is special characters. So apart from this, you can't expect any other type of information, right? So in alphabetic also you have capitals and smalls, so that's how you can divide while writing the rejects. So I'm not going too much into details, but I'll just talk about how much is required for this particular piece of code. Okay, so for that, what I'm doing, I'm taking alphabetic with both small case and also uppercase, and after that I'm going to take some numeric, and along with that I'm going to take some special characters. Okay, so once after this is done, so now I'm going to write the regex here, so that should eliminate these particular special characters, right? So for that, how you can actually start it is, let me show you. This is a particular expression that you can start it with. So how what exactly this means is, this is a negation symbol. Okay, so this will negate everything whatever you don't want it to include. So I'm telling, just negate my so let's say if you wanted to negate the special characters, you have to mention what are the special characters that you want, right? But instead I am taking the opposite approach. Okay, so what I'm doing exactly, first I am taking the alphabetic. Okay, so that means it will not select the alphabetic. So just see here, this is smaller case, right? So if you see, it has written me, you can observe here 18 matches. That means it has negated the lowercase alphabets. Now I wanted to negate the uppercase alphabets as well. So it has negated the uppercase alphabets, and it has given me only numeric and the special characters. So let's say if you wanted to negate numeric also, then this is the one. So this is how it will, this particular expression will negate whatever you include in this um, braces. Okay, so this has negated the set of smaller case, uppercase alphabets, and also the numeric. And now what I'm going to do, it has written me only the special characters, right? So we have understood this particular regex regular expression will return me the special characters. So what I'm going to do, I'm just copying this particular regular expression. Just go to UiPath Studio, and I'm gonna create a new sequence. Okay, I already have it, but I wanted to show you everything step by step. So I'm gonna first take a variable. How you can actually use this particular regular expression in the UiPath Studio, so you will understand everything here. So just create some variable, and I'm going to copy the same text that we were using here. Okay, let's copy the same text and paste it in here, right? So we have the input text, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one more assign, and I wanted to assign it without regular expressions. Okay, sorry, without the special characters. So how to write a regular expression to eliminate these special characters? Okay, so let me show you. So there's a method that you actually use for getting or for using the functions inside the regular expression. So that is system.text. Inside text you have regular expressions, and just take the regex from it, and from here what you are doing, you wanted to replace, right? So you want to replace, what is the input variable for this? Str var is the input variable, and you have to provide the regular expression here. So what is a regular expression that we have used? Just copy this, copy this whole expression, and then paste it between double quotes. And you wanted to replace it with what? Let's say if you wanted to replace it with null, just keep it two double quotes, and that would be fine. So what exactly we are doing here, we know that whenever this regular expression execute, it will return or it will negate whatever is there inside this particular braces. So all these particular sets are negated. So what is left? Only the special characters. So the output of this is a special character. So I want to replace those special characters with this. So this is perfect, right? So just say okay. And how can we view the output? Just take the log message and given the str var. So why I'm explaining each and every bit of the code, even though if it's a small one, because so later in any future requirement of your project, if you want to apply it, you should understand why we are using this particular piece of code, right? So that you can customize it based on your requirement. So just debug the file, and we can see the value over here, right? So it has given me everything apart from the special character. So let's say in your project you wanted to eliminate or you want to have only the the numeric information, or only the alphabetic information, not the numeric. Okay, so in that case what you want to do, just come over here and then take off the numeric data, just that, and this will return, right? So this has given me only the alphabetic information. So this is how you can just play around with the code based on the criteria or the requirement of that particular piece of action. Okay, so I feel I have covered enough about how we can do or apply the regex or write the code for a particular regular expression. So this is how, and also it's most important to understand why we are writing the code in certain way, so that it helps not just limiting to this particular implementation. So I hope this video is helpful. If you wanted to learn more about regex, I'm going to start a new series on the regular expression where I will talk everything right from the scratch, how we can apply or write a regular expression for basic things, and also to the complicated expressions as well. So if you wanted to understand and learn more about regular expressions, you have to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell, so that you will get the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you so much for watching, and also do let me know your views on the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.